How to install GFCI. Shut off the main breaker. Wear insulated protective gloves. Locate the live neutral and ground wires. Using a wire stripper, remove the insulation to the length of GFCI's strip gauge. Insert the wires into the terminals. Ensure no bare copper is visible outside the holes. Tighten the terminal screws for a secured connection. Align the GFCI into the electrical box and tighten the mounting screws. Attach the wall plate by snapping or screwing it onto the mounting bracket. Restore power at the breaker. Press the reset button and a green light indicates the GFCI is active.